Introducing the Hawaiian University-bred elephant ear taro, your natural air purifier and breath health guardian. Scoring a whopping 92 points above the giant millipede in air purification at the Boston Horticultural Society's 2024 Landscape Plant Awards, this green marvel is a game changer. Top Amazon gardening influencer at Green Thumb Guru tested and raved. After just 3 months of having it in my bedroom, PM 2.5 levels dropped by 47% and morning breathing resistance significantly eased. Dr. Emily Carter, certified by the American Lung Health Association, explains, the negative ions released by this plant can boost blood oxygen saturation and alleviate urban dwellers' persistent chest tightness and fatigue caused by PM 2.5 accumulation. What's more, its cold and drought-resistant properties make it adaptable to climate conditions across all 50 states. Super easy to care for, just water periodically, and in 5 months, it'll grow as large as an elephant's ear. We carefully select and ship 1-year-old mature plants, so quality is guaranteed. Not satisfied? We'll compensate you triple the amount. To support eco-lovers, we've reserved 30 special discount slots daily. Order now to get 50% off and receive a complimentary plant nutrition liquid.